So this is a trick I made up today. Tried it out a couple times, worked pretty well. It's a mind reading effect. I have the deck like so. All these different cards there. Somebody can push up wherever they want, look at a card, and remember it. So we'll let them do that. Okay. Awesome. And just leave that in the pack, like so, without me seeing it, right? So the card somewhere in there. King of Clubs is the card. That's it. Let's learn it. Okay, so I based this move off of a peek I saw by Fernando P1, which is good, but this is just a different variation that that works better for me and is slightly easier for me to perform. So basically, what you're going to do: start off by taking the deck that's shuffled. Forgive my roommate. And you're gonna push the deck forward like this, like a trapezoid. Okay, so you basically want to bevel the front. That'll just make it easier for it to riffle, and especially since you're going to use the spectator to do it. Okay, so you're going to do it like so. Okay, and they can push wherever they want to see it. Okay, and just to check out that card. When they do that, what you're going to do is basically stick your finger in like this. So basically, the in that break that's created, just get a little, just like that. So basically, you don't need a big break, just a little bit like that. So once that's done, and you're going to act like you're square up the deck, instead you're going to pick up this half, you're going to move this packet back away from the front of the pack a little bit, and dribble down like this, and open up your hand. So now you show you don't have any breaks, but because you picked up where their card was, you don't need a lot, but basically you know that their card is right here, the bottom most. So now you're going to push up on that card, and then you can square up the pack like this with a break after you've done a convincer. Then you just need to push out with your pinkies the card that's underneath the bottom. So just push it out just a little bit like this, holding the top like so. Now this is exaggerated here. Usually you'd only need to do it about this much. So at this point, what you're going to want to do is after you pushed it out, you're going to hold the pack like this, so you're making a cover over this card that's sticking out, like so. And then you're just going to do like a turnover, like a gambler's peek basically. So the card's sticking out, you're going to turn it over, glance at the card, and square it up like so. And that's all it takes. So one more time, they push up wherever, they look at the card, let it down like this, pick up and dribble till the cards are folded back a little bit, square up, push out that card just a little bit, do a gambler's peek like that, and you can see it. So from your angle, one more time, they've got the spot, push up, push out, and there you go. Now another thing I'll do is I won't always just turn it over immediately. Sometimes I'll just gesture, say you pick that card out of the deck, and then I can see it there and just show it really cleanly. And basically it seems like it's impossible, forgive my roommate, to see where the card was. Anyway, so that's my trick. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy.